No need to bother helping. I got it. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's all about controlled breathing. This is the stock exhaust for the Aventador. I am 100% not just dropping it off here in the basement to forget about for the next 6 months. That is definitely 100% not happening. Everything else you see, that is not. That's exactly what is happening. What should I do with the stock exhaust? Do I blow it up, or do I turn it into some like artwork, or is there anybody who wants to buy this off me? The stock 4 winter tires for the Gallardo. One of my goals in today's video that is probably definitely 100% not going to happen is I'm going to try to install these on the Gallardo, because tomorrow there is a winter storm of the century hitting the beautiful state of Utah. So that could happen in today's video, but well, it's probably not. The keys aren't in the microwave. They are right here. Today is a very exciting day. It is the first proper drive in the Aventador with a new exhaust from Frequency Intelligence. So headphone users, like, seize the moment. Now is the opportunity. There's gonna be a lot of revving. There's gonna be a lot of accelerations, and there could be a bit of a 4th of July fireworks show, if you will. I know it is January, but anyways. I don't know what, yep. I'm excited to announce that today's video has been sponsored by Honey. Honey is an online shopping tool that scours the internet looking for different coupon codes. I downloaded Honey probably 9 months ago, and I've easily saved over $500. It works on all sorts of different websites, over 30,000 different websites. I use it when I'm looking for like tools at HomeDepot.com, maybe car parts, auto parts warehouse. It works on Walmart.com. Basically, if you do any kind of online shopping, Honey is gonna save you guys money. Check this out, check this out. I've been going back and forth trying to decide, do I sell the Audi R8? Do I keep the R8? None of that really matters though, because the car is in desperate need of new front pads and new front rotors. So I've gone online to autopartswarehouse.com, and I wanna show you the power of Honey. Now I've already done sort of my research. I found the pads, I found the rotors that I want. So we're gonna go to our cart. Automatically, Honey pops up, and we are gonna click apply coupons. Honey is cycling through coupon codes right now, scouring the internet, trying to save us the most amount of money. Come on, Honey. Check that out. Honey just saved us $88.57. We didn't do anything at all. Honey only takes 2 clicks to download. Simply go to joinhoney.com/stradman, click add Honey, add the extension, and that's it. Like, it's 100% free. There's no reason not to download it today. Link in the description below, joinhoney.com/stradman. I have never downshifted so much in my entire life for no reason whatsoever. The gas mileage probably isn't going to be very good. So I rarely do this. I rarely offer advice to you guys on the channel. You know, I'm not the next Ty Lopez. I'm not going to be selling you a book for $9.90. Well, maybe I should become an author. Anyways, no. I don't have a motivational quote for you guys, but I do have a piece of advice. Do yourself a favor if you own a Lamborghini Aventador. Get yourself a Frequency Intelligence exhaust, because, well, it'll change your life. I just realized, guys, you haven't even seen the Aventador with the bumper back on. We have the gold exhaust tips from Frequency Intelligence. Here's what I'm wondering. Purple and gold is, you know, like an iconic duo. Do we now get gold wheels? I'm kind of thinking no, because like some gold is good. That's like a nice subtle flex. But if you do too much gold, you're like trying too hard. So in the comments below, what color wheels do we get? I'm thinking maybe white or maybe orange. I know I may have triggered some of the keyboard warriors right there, but let me know, what do you guys think? Or is black good? In the most likely and maybe the most unlikely sequence in the vlog, check this out. The door It doesn't squeak. We haven't done anything to it. So I noticed on Instagram yesterday, a lot of you guys were triggered because the door handles are orange. Now, obviously, like it was never the intention to leave these orange. So today Clayton is gonna be wrapping those, and then we're also going to be tinting the windows. And when I say we, I mean Clayton. I think we're gonna go with 20% window tint. I have never seen a car in my entire life that needs window tint more than the purple Aventador. Quick disclaimer, this is definitely 100%, this is definitely not 20% window tint. Shh, it's definitely not. Like it's like 50%. What's the legal limit in Utah?
43.
It's 43. This is definitely 100% 43. See, guys, the problem with the Aventador, I have never driven a car in my entire life that gets more attention than this. When the car was orange, it got a lot of attention. Then we wrapped it purple, it got more attention, and then we spit fireballs on the freeway. I haven't filmed that yet. Anyways, so when you're at like 70 miles an hour, you put the car in neutral and you rev it, it shoots fireballs. Anyways, we'll do that soon on a video, but the car gets so much attention that without window tint, like you just feel like if I pick my nose, people are gonna film that. And I have a brand. Clayton is wrapping the passenger door handle right now. If you're standing up, I suggest you sit on down because he's already wrapped this door handle and the window tint is complete. Wait for it, it's not squeaking. Dude, it looks so much better. This car looks so incredibly sinister. We just need that carbon fiber wing. We need the new wheels. We gotta tint these side reflectors. I don't think we're gonna paint the calipers, not because I don't want to, but it's just hard, it's just difficult, it's expensive, and I still think it looks cool. But the window tint looks killer. This car is coming together so well. So, yeah, after this, I think we're gonna go have a fire show.
Much better.
Take a moment, appreciate the passenger side. We're gonna scoot on over here to the driver's side. It's very subtle, but it makes a world of difference. I can see the flames through the back of the camera. It's incredibly windy, so I do apologize for that, but check this out, ladies and gentlemen. We got views on views, and Faith is gonna rev the Aventador for us, so yeah. So the key is to get it to like right around 6,000 RPMs, that's when it pops. The Aventador has Valvetronic, like I mentioned earlier, so we're now going to close the valves. Whoa, that's significant. Can you rev it again, Faith? This sunset is unreal here. Whoa, so I think it's probably time that it's time to remove that sticker. So, no. I think we should rev it for the state of California, don't you think? Because God bless Utah. God bless Utah. Yes, that is the check engine light. Don't worry about it. Just check out that sunset though, that is insane. Okay, so the first rule of flame season is you have your fun and then you get lost because, well, I think they can hear us in Nevada. It just downshift really for no reason. We're probably getting like 8 miles to the gallon. So this is Faith's first ride in the Aventador and we're gonna show her Corsa mode here on the freeway. It's gonna change your life.
AKA Strad mode.
Are you ready?
Yes. Oh, Clayton's calling me. There's probably a cop.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
We were going 55.
I knew it. Okay, thanks.
Is there a cop?
Yeah.
Oh, no way. Okay, we're just gonna chill. We're going to close the valves. We're in Strata mode. We're gonna go into Strata mode, aka Strad mode. Just gonna keep it right under 55.
Thank goodness for Clayton.
There he is right there. No way.
Oh my god.
Clayton. Not only did he do our window tint, he's saving us tickets. What a hero.
Dude. Oh my god. That is crazy.
Just downshifting excessively because we can. One is for the viewers, the dreamers, and the doubters. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, whenever you're in an Aventador and the light turns red, you always stop because, well, music, sorry, so sorry. The craziest thing about an exhaust, it just completely transforms this car. Like, I loved the Aventador before, but now, like, that love is just, well, it's elevated. It's also louder, so, well, anyways, I'm gonna get in so much trouble. That was the police. I'm just kidding, we're good. I would argue that the Lamborghini Aventador is the single coolest car you can buy for sub $1 million. I paid $240,000 for this car. It is so much fun. It is such an event. It is such an occasion driving this car. It sounds insane. It looks insane. Corsa mode will change your life. This is like, I just cannot believe that I own a Lamborghini Aventador. I hope you guys don't take this as like me trying to like flex or anything. It's just like a dream come true. It's just such a fun car. It looks insane. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog's over, and I'm out.